How's it going, YouTube? Today we're working on a Kia Sportage. Pretty simple door panel take off. All you should need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a pick, and a plastic pry bar. First, we'll go ahead and remove our covers. You're going to have one behind the armrest. There's a little cutout, so just grab your pick, kind of make room in there, pull the cover up, and it should show one of the screws. And we also have a cover on this back side. Just grab your plastic pry bar, kind of wedge it in there. Should be two clips holding this on. There's 1 and 2. Now we can go ahead and remove our screw. Alright, now we're on the bottom of the door panel. There is a little cutout on the bottom side, but these clips are super tight. So sometimes when you pry on that little cutout, they don't want to come, kind of like so. So what I usually do is I kind of come to the corner over here, and sometimes you get lucky and you're able to find a little bit more room. Just go like that, and just kind of be able to put your fingers in there, and then kind of just work the edges. Alright, so once you get to the top, so I have the door panel, the bottom and the sides are unclipped, but there's 2 bigger clips on the very top of the door panel. Sometimes you can get lucky and pop them off, but I've noticed that a lot of times, you can kind of see right here, it's still giving me a resistance right here. So just once you get to this top part, just kind of shimmy it up. Kind of like so. I'll go ahead and grab the camera and show you guys those 2 clips. Alright, we're still in the back door panel. I just want to show you guys the difference in these clips. So the regular clips, you can kind of see if it'll zoom out. They're kind of right here. Hopefully you can kind of see where my finger's pointing. But anyways, they're just like regular style little push pins that kind of just go into the holes. The ones up top, you can kind of see a little bit more fancy. You can leave this female piece on the door itself. All you really need is this yellow piece. You can kind of see how it slides up. So when you go to put the door panel back on, which I'll show you guys on the front door panel once we get there, you just kind of slide it back into place. So kind of leave the female in. See, it's on this side as well. So whenever you get to the top, if you're struggling with popping the top, try to shimmy the door panel up and they should pop free. But that's the rear door panel. Now we'll go ahead and move on to the front. Alright, now we're on the front door panel. Pretty much the same process. The only difference is you're not going to have like a plastic cover like you do on the rear door. But you are going to have a cover over here on the side that also has a screw. So you have 1 screw on the rear door, but 2 screws on the front door. So just go ahead and grab your pick. Pop both those covers off. We'll go ahead and remove both the screws. Alright, now we're back to the bottom of the door panel. I will say this is a reflector on mine, but be careful. If you have a light, you might have a wiring harness. But this is a reflector. It might be the same on all the Sportages. But once again, you do have a cutout on the bottom of the door. You can use that if you get lucky, but I usually have find better luck doing it on the corner of the door. Just like so. Again, I got lucky. And kind of just make room for your fingers. Kind of work your way around. On the front door, you only have 1 of those yellow clips, so you can't actually pop it on the front door in the corner, but you're just going to have the shimmy up on this one back here. Yeah. So now that we have the door panel free, we can kind of just shimmy up. Make sure we get that yellow one out, just like so. I'll go ahead and show you guys the wiring harness as well while I'm here. Alright, for the wiring harness, it's pretty much your same simple stuff. Push this in, takes the door handle off, and you'll have 1 for the window switch. Like I said, I don't have one for a light down here by the reflector, but you might have that one as well. But just those 2, pretty simple. Once again, you don't have the yellow one on the front door, on the right hand side, I'm sorry, but you do have one on the back hand side. So just be mindful that when you go pop this door panel off, don't pry up here and risk breaking this, just kind of shimmy it way up. And actually, I can go ahead and show you guys how that shimmies back down when you go to replace the door panel. Alright, hopefully that's a good angle for you guys to see the demonstration. But I like to put the front corner in first, kind of use your eyes, slide that yellow back down into that clip, and then you should just be able to push everything back together. So that is what you're going to do when you go to reinstall the door panel. So yeah, hopefully this video helps you guys out. That's how you remove the rear and front door on a Kia Sportage. Thanks for watching.